What's going on YouTube? And today I have a video here of a Simplex fire alarm pull station, a vintage one. Now I'm not really a fan of Simplex. Reason B has nothing to do with Simplex. It's just their parent company, Tyco. They have moved their headquarters out of the United States overseas to avoid on taxes, and I know people have worked for companies that do that and they kind of lose their jobs. So if Simplex was owned by Honeywell or UTC, I wouldn't have a problem with them, but this came up on my eBay feed. I really couldn't say no because it's only $12. It says local fire alarm on the front, which I think is pretty cool. I've never seen one that said local. On the back, this is a 2-pole unit, so I don't believe this is a 4251, even though it was sold as one. And it says local fire alarm, a barcode on the top. This was probably in some sort of school or institution. But to operate it, classic pull down. Reset it. Let me show you the insides here. This actually has a metal button instead of a plastic one, and it clicks fairly loud. Let me show you the inside, or the model number. It will even focus in. There we go. It's unlegible. I don't know if that an S12 or 012, I don't know. But 4251, 120 volt, 5 amps, 120 volt VDC or volts direct current. Pretty cool. Like I said, I do think it's really cool with the local right there. I believe this unit is probably from the late 70s or early 80s. This was really dusty when it came in, so I cleaned it up as best as I could, but it does have paint on the sides and the top. As you can see, I did put a meter up to it. It was 2-pole. See the two sets of wires coming out. And I believe it might be from the same era as this 2-pole vintage Edwards pull station that I have with the local alarm. But yeah, that's about it for this vintage pull station. I decided to share it. And see you in the next video.